In this video, you will learn more about our contract specifications page, where you can check all our available trading instruments and the important information about it, like leverage, commission, typical spread, swap value, etc. Please find Products field and click on Contract Specification. You will be able to choose the group of instruments like CFDs, shares, or ETFs. Real shares and ETFs without leverage are available on our Invest MT5 account. You can sort them by exchange and country or by industry group. If you scroll down a little bit, you can find overall information about the commission and minimum per transaction for CFDs on stocks and CFDs on ETFs. Below you can also find our Islamic Account Administration Fees. Admirals also offers lots of CFD instruments, currencies, digital currencies, commodities, indices, stocks, ETFs and bonds. Let's see how our contract specification works on the most popular trading instrument. As an example, let's take Euro USD. Please click See Details to know more about the trading instrument. At the beginning, you will see the current sell and buy price. You can also check the chart with the time frame of 1 month, a week, 1 day, and 4 hours. You can click on the chart and see the details of the price and candle. If you scroll down, you will be able to check the specification of the particular instrument. You may also check on which trading account this trading instrument is available. Depending on the trading account type, the instrument could have different prefixes. For example, in case of Euro USD, it is available on 0 accounts with prefixes ECN and Z. The leverage for this instrument is 1 per 500 for professional clients and 1 per 30 for retail ones. Spread in Admirals is floating and changing due to market conditions. You can check the minimum spread for this instrument and the typical one. Both are shown in USD currency. We also don't have any limits or stop levels when it comes to placement of pending orders in normal market conditions. Depending on the type of position, swap can be credited or debited for rolling a position over to the next trading day. Swap is reflected in pips. There is also a 3-day swap involved, meaning that swap is credited or debited in a triple amount. Mostly it is happening on Wednesday and for some instruments on Friday. For every trading instrument in Admirals, you can also check the tick size and lot size. Tick size is the minimum increment of the price, when lot size is a quantity of the underlying asset units in one lot. It is shown in euro currency for this trading instrument. You can also check the minimum and the maximum amount of lots you can open for the particular trading instrument. There is also the Contracts tab in Lots provided, which means the minimum increment of the contract above the minimum contract size level. You can also check the field PIP value per minimum contract to see the value of minimum price increment for a position with the lowest available contract size. It means that for Euro USD, it will be 0.1 USD for 0.01 lot. Moreover, you can see here minimum margin and minimum hedged margin that shows the amount of funds required to open and maintain one lot position with the lowest margin requirements. Below, you can find the trading schedule for each instrument, which is reflected in Eastern European time. Now you know where to check all our trading instruments. Please feel free to contact us with any questions via global@admiralmarkets.com.